Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. It is craft fair season and I am doing a tried and true. These are soft soap, hand soaps. I've already taken off the front label. You just peel it off, it comes off easy, a little goo gone. And then I wash them with soap and water and dry them. And then where the label used to be, I add a little vinyl face. All right, we're gonna do this fun little tag that you can just tie to the top of the bottle, little to from inside. It's a really cute little hostess gift. Awesome if you want to bring something when you go to dinner. Really good for nurses and teachers and people who do a lot of hand washing. They can bring it to the office or to the classroom. They're just a really cute little gift that everybody can use. With the vinyl faces, they can be left right next to the sink. Scarves just pop on and off. So it really is, and it's so cute and festive when it's sitting next to the sink, even without the tag or the scarf, which would get all wet next to the sink. They're still so cute and festive, and the vinyl will really hold up. I got my vinyl on Amazon. There is a link below the video on YouTube, and if you just look at the sources in the blog, it'll take you right to the vinyl that I use. I use regular punches on my vinyl, so my eyes are a 3/4 inch circle punch. My mouth is a 1/2 inch circle punch. For my nose, I just take the orange vinyl and I snip off a long triangle and then round the corners. So it's just freehanded. Let me show you how we did this little tag and the Stampin' Up! Supplies that you need for the adorable little to from tag that completes the ensemble. So I have one here that already has his face on, because it really is just punching circles, peeling and sticking. So let's look at the tag, supplies you need to make the tag. I've got my Snowman Season Bundle, Snowman Season stamp set, and my Snowman Builder Punch. Love this bundle. My stamping pad for this project, has been Memento Tuxedo Black. We're gonna color the snowman. I've colored him a lot of times to coordinate with the Let It Snow Designer Series paper. And so this color combination and this color might not be unfamiliar to you, but we're gonna use a dark real red combo and the shaded spruce combo. These are the colors that are in the Let It Snow Designer Series paper. We need a little pumpkin pie for our snowman's nose. We've got some dark pool party and light Bermuda Bay. And then I've got some dark smoky slate and light basic black. Those are my inks. Our consumable, our little paper products here. Let me show you their tag and the measurements. So my tag here is a piece of real red cardstock, and I've already cut it and folded it. So I've got 5.5 by 2, 5.5 by 2, and it's scored in half at 2 3/4. So we're making an itty bitty little greeting card there. Cute. For inside that card, we've got 1 5/8 by 2 1/8 Whisper White. Our other Whisper White is for punching and stamping our snowman. So about 2.5 by 3.5 will do. Got 2 pieces of that awesome Let It Snow Designer Series paper. We got the Coastal Cabana with snowflakes and the Coastal Cabana in real red stripe. And then these pieces are 2 inches by 1 3/4 and 1 3/4 by 3/4. I have some fleece here, and it is 1 inch by almost 14 inches. That's for his scarf. We're gonna go ahead and just tie that around our little soft soap here. And I just do a nice tight square knot. And then I also have about 8 inches of silver elastic thread. All right, got my Stamparatus here. That's how we're gonna do our stamping for our snowman. So let me bring that in. And I've already got it set up with the template and the grid paper here. Gotta be so careful with those magnets. They just want to be together. Got the template in the corner, magnets. We're going to slide the Whisper White into our Stamparatus under the template, almost to the edge. I'm gonna ink up with Memento and give a stamp. I will link you to the video that shows how to set up the template, why we set up the template. Template stores right in the stamp case, so what size to make your template, all that kind of stuff. My button's a little bit light. Do you see that? Let's see if we can't just fix that right up. If it's shifted a little because the cardstock isn't under the magnet, it might not be perfect, but we're gonna try. Right in the center there, that middle button. Ha! Love that Stamparatus. Did you see that? That button's not light anymore. A little more ink. Fix it right up. Looks great, doesn't it? Okay, let me just slide this magnet away. Move the Stamparatus. Let's color. Color my snowman's nose with pumpkin pie. The hat, I use a combination of light or dark smoky slate and light basic black. For the hat band, I use a combination of dark Pool Party and light Bermuda Bay. Got real red for the holly berries. And light shaded spruce with just a touch of dark for the holly leaves. Now, because of that template, we can go ahead and punch out all of our pieces at one time. We're gonna check our placement in the punch at multiple locations before we punch. So we're going to hold it kind of halfway, and we're going to check the hands, the head. Head's a little high, so let's pull that down a bit. The hat, the bottom, and everything's satisfactory. So we punch, and there's our snowman bits. Do one more bit of stamping here. We're going to do the inside of our card. All right, so I got my little to from, also from Snowman Season. We're gonna ink that up with Tuxedo Black and stamp. That's for the inside of our card. I like to stamp it before I tape it down just in case. Get a little snail adhesive, and now we can tape it right inside our little tag. Gonna put that so that the bottom, right and left edges or mat is all even. It's gonna be a little bit lower on the top. And then let's go ahead and add our designer series paper. Oh, I love this stuff. We're gonna do the stripes on the bottom, and we'll do the snowfall pattern on the top. We're just gonna set this in. So you got about 1/8 of an inch on the top, on the right, left, and bottom. And then we'll overlap and make it even border all the way around when we add our second designer series paper. Now my snowman, let me bring my little sample in here, is going to sit right along this like it's a horizon line. So we'll take our snail and get that guy in the picture. I'm going to leave enough room for his hat. Got a half of a mini dimensional. We'll add the hat with or it's half of a regular dimensional. We'll add the hat with a dimensional. And then his arms. Let's get those glued on. Did you see one was sticking to my snail? It was trying to get away. Do some multi-purpose liquid glue and add those arms. What a cutie, right? It's like a tiny little mini card. You could put that right on the front of a card and it'd be so cute. All right, so I'm gonna punch 1/18th inch hole in the upper left corner of my tag. Got a little elastic cord here. I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm gonna thread from the back to the front. And then this loop right here, I'm going to bring the tails through. And we'll just tie this on to our soft soap with a little thread knot. Trim off the excess. And now we've got the cutest little hostess gift there ever was. Aren't they just adorable? All right, if you've got any questions about the project, if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, pick up your Snowman Season Bundle, buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.